Is that the agreement?
That is our
I'm
agreement.
sorry, 4 years.
It was for Judge.
Okay.
I'd also asked that my client, he successfully completed ISF, Judge, we'd ask that he get some credit for that as well, but he's got additional credit as well, but our agreement was for four to do.
All right, do you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
John Anthony Gutierrez.
All right, Mr. Gutierrez, why were you not successful in probation? Excuse me, Yaya, can I have the file stamp? Oh, that's okay.
Move this around, please.
All right, court is calling 2022 CR 2571, State of Texas versus John Anthony Gutierrez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Raymond Solana,
Defense?
Matthew Trent for John Gutierrez, ready, Your Honor.
And are you John Anthony Gutierrez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same John Anthony Gutierrez who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 2571 for the offense of assault family second offense on April 5th, 2022 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
moving forward with condition number 1, on or about the 16th day of May 2024, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, John Anthony Gutierrez, committed the offense of criminal trespass in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Moving forward with condition number 4, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, John Anthony Gutierrez, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of April and May of 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State will be waiving and abandoning the remaining conditions.
Any objection to the state's waivers?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you to 6 years in the prison and a $1,500 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 1 and 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find 1 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Judge, we ask the court grant the motion, revoke his community supervision, and reform the judgment, sentence him to 3 years TC.
Is that the agreement?
That is our
I'm
agreement.
sorry, 4 years.
It was for Judge.
Okay.
I'd also asked that my client, he successfully completed ISF, Judge, we'd ask that he get some credit for that as well, but he's got additional credit as well, but our agreement was for four to do.
All right, do you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
John Anthony Gutierrez.
All right, Mr. Gutierrez, why were you not successful in probation?
Well, honestly, in March, my mom went to the hospital and
I'm sorry, what?
my mom went to the hospital and we were given notice that make arrangements.
Mhm.
And I just barely got my mom back. I messed up. I got nothing to really say. Just I screwed up. You know, I lost my mom and I just barely got her back.
Yeah, but I don't understand why you wouldn't pick up the phone and call probation, because this is not your first motion to revoke. This is your second motion to revoke.
I honestly wasn't thinking, Your Honor.
Mhm.
I like lost my mom. You know, I wasn't thinking.
Mhm.
Got nothing to really say. Just I screwed up. Like wasn't thinking. Didn't think it out. You know, I wasn't thinking about my consequences. I was hurting. And that's honestly it's the truth.
But then where is this criminal trespass coming in?
I was at the wrong place at the wrong time. I went to a certain hood and I sat down somewhere in an abandoned property and I just got caught up. I knew I wasn't supposed to be there, but I was contemplating doing something stupid and I went and sat there to really think about it. And well, I came to jail instead.
And still using drugs?
Yes, ma'am.
And how often are you still using before you were taken in custody?
Probably like 2 months.
No, I mean, how often?
Oh, how often? Like probably like every 4 or 5 days maybe.
Okay. All right, the court is finding violation of 1 and 4 true. Are you in agreement with the 4 years that your attorney has worked out with the state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will find violations 1 and 4 true. The court will sentence you to 4 years TDC. Give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There should be no contact with Angelita Montalvo and Mark McCumber, McCumber. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. And probation, did he successfully complete ISF? All right, I'll give him credit for any successful inpatient treatment. Is there anything else, defense?
No, Your Honor, that's it. Thank you.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, and also because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And counsel, I'll recommend therapeutic community for him. But you're gonna have to ask for it. I have no jurisdiction to force them to place you in the program. It's to help with any drug issue or maybe mental health issues you may have. It does not increase the length of time you're in custody at the prison. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. When you are released, if you have issues, and if you're looking for a place with regards to your,
I'm gonna come talk to you.
okay,
I heard you talk to somebody else about it, and I need all the help I can get right now.
all right. All right, good luck to you.
Yes, thank you.